而我们这个呢是地上部分可以多种用途，收获的是高大的草
But
本植物。
when you look at and the grass was neglected previously. But when we're working on the grass, we found we can use the whole plant. Using the 我直接说了哈 ，using for the
地下还有生态效应。
the agriculture for the feed animals, use as the forage, and you can grow mushroom, and this underneath.
你看，只要一块塑料薄膜跟遮阳网就可以作为
The
培养
plastic and
培养
the
菇的
plastic sheets, shade cloths, and some steel structure.
So ordinary farmers can use this kind of vegetable from here.
How long does it take for the
这
mushroom
个多久
to
能
grow
够
and
长
be
长出
mature
来，能够长
for harvesting?
这个有
长多久能够收
7到多个。
？7 days to 10 days, 7 to 10 days. Depend on the different
菌丝
variety.
菌丝生长以后7到10天。
Later we're going to show you another one. 3 days will be enough to harvest. This one is 7 to 10 days.
但是呢，可以
It can be kept for 1 year.
然后在我
Still
们
fresh.
在我们这个比较缺水的地方，不适宜种茶的地方，就这样。
So when when it comes to dry season, this can be kept for the dry season for the fresh fruit. Materials mixed together, different grass materials mixed together, and with water. We put about 1 to 1, grass powder 1, water 1, and this is the mixer. And do the packing and cut.
This is ready for harvesting.
Yes, ready for harvest. It's very
How many days?
多少天？3天。
这个3天了。
5天哈。This one is 5 days.
5 days.
5 days.
然后300克的。
One bag. 250 grams to 300 grams. Harvest from one bag. And after harvest.
这个。
Look at this. This is the mycelium. So when just now Minister says when it's finished, it's ready to grow. But it's small like this. When it's small, it's like this, and it keep growing. Okay. And after harvest, the leftover part inside we process it into feed for animals.
The ones we've already harvested is already.
You don't have the packaging one, the packaged one.
You already harvest.
Yeah.
Or yeah,
So
it's display. It's on the
display saja
display.
kan produk ya.
Yeah,
Dan
it's
paket
on
lagi
display.
dia ikut.
Salah ko tuwi.
We have a packet.
Some hotels, restaurants are buying on.
This mushroom for display to welcome you. This is also a medicinal mushroom. This is edible. Just now all we see is edible mushroom. We also cultivated medicinal mushroom for the healthcare purpose. So this is the medicinal mushrooms products, tea and the capsules. And we have also ready to eat. The snack mushroom is chips. Mushroom chips, yes.
Yeah.
If you like to try.
Where is that packed?
It's in China, but we are looking for to bring this also into Fiji.
Oh, you have to do it in Fiji.
可是这个要做
Doesn't have any other
Yeah, for the
All this has to be done in Fiji.
yeah. This is a Fiji product.
Yeah.
Okay.
This
So
is
that's the
produced
one.
in Legalega.
Yeah.
This is the Fiji product.
Yeah.
Has the president seen this?
I don't know. Perhaps they have seen.
Take one.
Yeah.
You need to
Okay.
take one. Okay.
But
Yes.
okay. 他说要带
带一个去，我们
给你。好。
Thank you.
Okay. Good.
Thank you. And then put the mushroom and the green pepper together. And once you add the salt, the mushroom 90% is working, the water will come out. So we only add the salt before it's ready. 就差不多可以准备了。要不然你还太多。Finish.
Thank you, Professor. Thank you very much. Thank you. Hope you come back again.